Good morning to everyone. So today is 1st August 2020. So from today I am changing my way of making this video because I got many queries in the comment section that the picture of that video is not visible, and also they want to ask me to upload the page number of the Hindu. They can't understand that which page is there, and also they are asking to make the editorial section in a detailed manner, but for them I'm telling you that it's not possible at this moment because my prelims is approaching, and making editorial videos, it takes a lot of time. It will break my concentration for my studies. I will try to make them after my prelims, that is before the mains, because that time I have to analyze the editorial for the mains also. But at this moment I am revising, so I am not editorial more focused on the editorial section. So in this from today's video, from August onwards, I am making the video of the Hindu news analysis from the newspaper directly, and I have marked it on the article that which GS paper it belongs to. So first start with this topic. Core sector output shrinks 15% in June. Fertilizers buck trends. It is from GS paper 3 economy. Then the KV is unlikely to change medium of instruction, GS paper 2. Then come to the, so in this page, these are the regional pages. Those who are beginner, they don't know. These are the regional pages. This is not necessary for the UPSC. Directly come to the this section, that means the editorial sections. This is the towards a new normal, GS paper 2. Then come to the diluting the EIA process, spells of path of no return, GS paper 3 environment. Then this section, wars and talks, GS paper 2. The COVID-19 crisis as a metropolitan battle, GS paper 2. Saturday, this page comes, that means the ground zero. It is not so much important from the UPSC perspective because here you will get the more factual details which is not asked in the UPSC. So you can skip this page only on Saturday. Then come to the this page. From here, the news page starts with here. As you can see, this is the news page. Starts from 8 and continues till I think 11 page or 10 page. So these are the next topic. NGT conveys discontent to Environment Ministry, GS paper 3. Modi government empowered Muslim women. This is the 1st August is to be the Muslim Women Rights Day, GS paper 2. Minorities. Then come to the this topic. India's fatality rate among world's lowest, GS paper 2. Then the surplus rain likely in 2 months, GS paper 1 and 3 both, geography and environment both. 1947 pact on Gorkha soldiers, redundant Nepal minister, GS paper 2. Then this page, this is also the news page. Oli's remarks against India undiplomatic, GS paper 2. This is no word from UK on Malia case, GS paper 3 economy section. Then world page starts with page number 12. As you can see, US demands action over killing of citizen in Pakistan, GS paper 2. Vietnam reports first COVID-19 death, GS paper 2. Then come to the business section. This is the page 13. SBI net jumps 81% NPA shrink, GS paper 3. Center working with RBI on need for loan restructuring, Finance Minister, GS paper 3. Forced decoupling with Heart India and China, Chinese envoy, GS paper 3. So today in the last page, no article related to life page, only the sports, and sports is not necessary for the UPSC preparations. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.